How to manage finance notifications on Google Mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage finance notifications on Google Mobile. First you're gonna do is go to Google and then click on your profile picture here, and now click settings, and then click this one, notifications, and click on it again, and here just go down until you find this one, finance, and if you want to turn it off just click on it, and you can turn it on again just by one click. And that's how to manage finance notifications on Google Mobile. It's easy and fast, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.